The Xiaomi's sub-brand Redmi has quietly launched its new affordable phone under a series in India called Redmi A3x. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Redmi A3x features a tall 6.71-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate, and up to 500 nits of peak brightness support, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Uni SoC T603 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 3 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 3 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Redmi A3x sports a dual-camera setup under circular ring at the top center, that includes an 8-megapixel main camera, with f2.0 aperture, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. At the front it has 5-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 168.4 by 76.3 by 8.3 millimeters, and it weighs around 199 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of this smartphone. The Redmi A3x has been priced in India at 6,999 Indian rupees. And it is now available for purchase in the country in midnight black, ocean green, olive green, and starry white color options. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi A3x smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.